Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to close your CommBank account. Closing your CommBank account is a straightforward process, but there are a few important steps you should take first to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, you need to ensure your account balance is at zero. This means withdrawing all your funds or transferring them to another account. You also need to cancel any direct debits, scheduled payments, and recurring transfers to or from the account. It's a good idea to go through your transaction history for the last few months to make sure you've found everything. You'll also want to update your employer and any other regular payers with your new bank details. Once your account is ready, you have several options for closing it. The easiest way for a transaction or savings account is to use the CommBank app or net bank. Simply log in, find the account you want to close, and follow the prompts. If you prefer to speak to someone, you can visit a CommBank branch with your identification. A bank representative can assist you with the closure process. Alternatively, you can call CommBank's customer service line. Be prepared to verify your identity over the phone. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.